Refunds are a key part of managing business, so it's important to know how to process them accurately and efficiently when they're needed. In this video, we'll show you the simple steps to handle refunds using PowerEPOS, both via cash and EFTPOS. By following this process, you can manage refunds quickly, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience for your customers. Let's start with how to refund a single item via EFTPOS. First, we log into the POS system and open a new order or sale. Select the item that we need to refund, making sure the parent item is highlighted. Then we choose Corrections and select Refund Item. After that, we hit Pay and tap the integrated EFTPOS button to initiate the refund. The customer will be prompted to tap or swipe their card and enter their PIN. Once the refund is approved, it will be recorded on the POS and we can track it as a negative sale in the journal. Now, let's look at how to refund a full transaction via EFTPOS. We start by logging in and opening the journal. Find the transaction we want to refund, then select Refund Transaction and press the green tick to proceed. The POS will send the refund request to the EFTPOS device, and the customer will be asked to tap or swipe their card and enter their PIN. Once the refund is complete, it will show as a red entry in the journal, reflecting a negative amount. Now we'll move on to processing refunds via cash. To refund a single item, we log into the POS and open an order or table. We select the item we want to refund, ensuring the parent item is highlighted. We go to Corrections and choose Refund Item, which will turn the item into a negative amount on the screen. Then we click Pay to proceed to the payment screen and select the Cash button. The cash drawer will open, allowing us to give the refund directly to the customer. Finally, let's cover how to refund a full transaction in cash. First, we log in and go to the journal. Then we find the transaction we need to refund, select Refund Transaction and confirm with the green tick. This will open the cash drawer so we can provide the full refund to the customer. The transaction will be highlighted in red with a negative amount, showing that the refund has been successfully processed. By mastering these steps, you can handle refunds confidently, ensuring customers always receive quick and accurate service. For more videos and guides on how to use PowerEPOS, go to triniteq.com/learn.